Mr. Kyle Kuzma. Also, we acknowledge the presence of the counselor of the 6th District.
Atras, atras. Atras, atras. Ate, wag na kayong harang dyan. Hi guys! Hi Lord! Yung bata! Kuzma! Sa NBA, di ba? Ngayon, he's right here in front of us, in Punta Santa Ana, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let us hear from the man of the hour, an NBA star who has inspired many young Filipinos with his passion and dedication to the game of basketball, a champion on and off the court. Let's give a warm Manila welcome, Mr. Kyle Kuzma!
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you guys all for being here. This is truly an incredible moment. As I look here and stand in awe of all your guys' support. It's my second time in the Philippines in Manila, and my first time here, I really felt the love. I thought it was amazing. You know how much you guys care about basketball and care about me as well. I had to come back again, and when they came up with this opportunity to be in front of you guys and have this insane court, I couldn't turn down the offer to be here with you guys. So, I don't even know what else to say because it's truly special and a great moment that I'll never ever forget. So, thank you guys so much for me to be here, coming to your guys' culture and country and make me feel right at home. So, thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Kyle Kuzma, for gracing us with your presence.
inspiring the youth of Manila. Alright, and now for the exchange of gifts, as a sign of love and appreciation, we'd like to present a special gift to Mr. Kyle Kuzma. This is a small token from the community that will remind him of Manila and the people of Barangay 901.
Kalalapit dun. Binigay mo. Puta, hindi nag-iisip.
Yes, and aside from that, the true gift Manileños would like to give to you is the love and cheer of Filipino fans. Alright, let's give them a warm round of applause. This is something our young lovers have never forget. So let's cheer them on as we learn from one of the best.
Oo, GMA. Ito kilala eh.
Kilalanin mo rin.
Barangay 901, let's wave our hands to Mr. Kyle Kuzma! Kids, kalma.
Ulo boss ha, ulo. Okay, move back, move back.
Also, we acknowledge the presence of the counselor of the 6th.
Okay, banda naman Kasi kailangan ng isip natin yung tuloy natin. Minute? Gusto ka na yan, ha?
Ano, picture mo na ako. Okay lang. Pag yan, kasi
All right, so we will now start our basketball clinic with the kids. So Mr. Kyle Kuzma, you can now go in front.
Ang guluhan mo doon.